sixth is sequence. Even if everything is proven from the Quran and Sunnah, but if the sequence is changed, it becomes an innovation. For example, in wudu, if someone says, I will wash my feet first, and now I will wash my hands, and then the face, it becomes an innovation. In salah, if someone changes the tartib, the sequence, it becomes an innovation. Now, it will not be seen that everything that is there over here, it is as the Prophet ﷺ taught. It also has to be in the right order. It has to be in the right order, sequence. So this is point number 6. And point number 7, seventh type, before that let's repeat: time, number, place, material, kaifiya, condition, sequence. And the seventh is cause, sabab, cause. Suppose for example, you find someone praying in the night. You say, I don't find you praying every day. Now how is it that today you're praying? He says that see, today is this particular night, and this night has a special status, has a special importance. That is the reason I'm going to be awake full night and praying. Now whichever night which people say, it has to be a night which has proof from the Quran, from the Sunnah. So the seventh point is having a sabab, a reason, a cause which is from the Quran and the Sunnah. Whatever we are doing, suppose for example, people are getting together and celebrating the birthday of the Prophet ﷺ, we will look at the Sahaba, we will look at the Prophet ﷺ, we will look at, did the Sahaba understand this, the Tabi'in, did they do this? If we don't find that reason in the Quran and the Sunnah, it becomes something new. And we should know what Islam has taught about something which is not proven from the Quran and the Sunnah. My brothers and sisters, I hope you have memorized all 7 types. Let's repeat once again together: time, number, place. Repeat: time, number, place. Material, condition, sequence, and cause. Reason. Even the reason has to be from the Quran and the Sunnah.